everyone, Simply Bonnie here, and today, well, I'm going to do something that's a little outside of the box for me. There are a ton of videos on Boxycharm updates and August spoilers, but there isn't a video with all of it in one. I get Boxycharm every month. It's my favorite subscription box, and I want to share the love with you all by informing you of upcoming changes and spoilers to Boxycharm. I am so excited about this video. I've been working on it for hours, literally hours. It's only voice and graphics, but you wouldn't believe how much work goes into research and editing all these pics. As always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking that little bell right next to it so you get notified every time I upload a video. Hit that like button if you are excited for Boxy Lux or just the next Boxycharm in general. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the changes coming to Boxycharm. Anyways, let's get on to this video because I literally have like 9 pages of notes to go through, although it's like a play-by-play, so it shouldn't take too long. Hope you enjoy. Now let's get to the video. Let's start with general information for the ones that don't know what Boxycharm is or how great it is. Boxycharm is a $21 monthly makeup subscription box. It features 5 full-size products, sometimes 6, mainly higher-end products. The box always has a retail value of at least $100. To me, that's a great because I can try different brands and products I normally wouldn't buy or try. And even if you dislike one thing, it still is worth it. One product alone usually equals out to be more than the price of the box itself. Boxycharm has recently been going through, or will be going through, some big changes to make it even better than it is now. We have a beauty profile updates, skin customizing boxes, new Boxy Lux, bigger brands, and better products coming, and spoiler alerts. And that's what I am going to be discussing in this video today. Don't worry, spoilers will be at the end, and I will give warning to those who don't want to know spoilers. Just as a reminder, Boxycharm wants everyone to know that they do not have a Boxycharm app as of yet. So do not download anything from your Play Store or from the Apple Store. Don't download anything. It's not them, but they are working on an app and will keep us posted when they do launch an app. Now on to the beauty quiz, aka what I call the beauty profile. In the past, everyone has gotten the same item. With the growth of Boxycharm, I guess there's a need to fulfill more boxes, so there have been variation ones these past few months. Some people like it, some people dislike it. It does suck sometimes when you want a certain product but receive a different product instead. But there are ways to get products you did want at a lower cost by going onto Facebook groups, which I will explain in a bit. But another one of the downsides of Boxycharm is that people of color are left out due to certain shades of makeup items not working for their skin tone, and that goes for lighter skinned individuals too. So they're going to be including things that will cater more towards you, the individual. But to be able to get those things, you need to fill out the beauty quiz. Sign into your account, click on giveaways, then click on take beauty quiz. It will ask you questions such as hair color, skin color, undertone, texture, problem areas, what you do and don't want to see in your box, very in-depth and in detailed quiz. Let's move on to the Boxy Lux box. Try saying that 3 times real fast and see if it don't become a tongue twister. Boxy Lux is something new they are starting. It will be starting in September. The Boxy Lux box is about 2 to 3 times bigger than the regular Boxycharm box. It will cost more, but no word on the price. But my guess, and this is only a guess, it would be around $40 to $50. And I do believe the value will be at least $200. Boxy Lux again starts in September, but you have to be an active Boxycharm member as of August 2018. Boxy Lux also is only going to be every 3 months, pretty much quarterly, which I think is a great idea because it won't break the bank, if you know what I mean. Joseph also said they based how many boxes they will be needing by the number of limited boxes was sold, plus a little bit more than that. Hopefully there's enough to go around. Keep your eye out on YouTube, Instagram, and even Facebook groups, which I will be talking about here in a minute. I will update you on Boxy Lux as the info comes in. Joseph is active on Boxycharm Instagram and on his personal Instagram, but he is really active on these Facebook groups. Now on to the Boxycharm randomness, which includes these Facebook groups. Now earlier I had said, since there are now variations of boxes and sometimes you do not get what you want, there are Facebook groups. And I'll have them scrolling on the screen now, as well as links in the description if I can get them posted. Boxycharm groups also give you updates, as well as other Boxycharmers who sell and trade products that they get that they do not want. A lot of the people get 2 boxes to try and get different variations and just try to sell and or trade the duplicates. I personally bought 1 item last month, which was the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage ID Puffer. Yeah, I know that's a long name. I got the pharmacy mask instead, so I went on one of the Facebook groups and found a seller. She was asking $15 for it. We agreed on $13, which was a great deal because in stores this product is over $40 in Ulta. She sent me an invoice through PayPal. I paid through PayPal. She sent me confirmation and postage details, and I got it 4 days later, which I thought was really good. It was new, never used, and I could tell when I turned the cap. You yourself can even sell items. One of the great things about these groups is they will let you charge what you want for an item, but it cannot be higher than the price of the box itself. So none of the boxy items will be over $21, which means you can get one heck of a deal. They also allow you to buy and sell washed and used items, but the seller has to state the condition of the product first. But please do not ever buy any used items such as mascara, because you can get a serious infection by that. I personally do not buy used products from people I don't know, but to each their own, you know. And I want to say again, you can follow Joseph on his personal Instagram, as well as Boxycharm Instagram and his Facebook groups. I also want to give a mention to Yari G, which is YARIG, and I'll have it up here scrolling on the screen now. She actually was one of my inspirations into me doing this video for my subscribers. She gives really good up-to-date updates. Now on to the August spoilers. If you do not want to know what the August spoilers are, please exit now. I love you all. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so, as well as hit that little bell next to it, like and comment as per usual, and I will talk to you all on my next video. Now on to my favorite part, which is spoilers, and this is for August 2018. There will be 6 products instead of 5. And the first spoiler was mentioned by no other than Laura Lee herself. It will be her Party Animal palette, which was just launched not too long ago, and the retail value is $19, and it features 6 bold, bright colors. And I think it's awesome that Boxycharm is supporting other influencers. And the second spoiler is a variation of a Smashbox Lippy. You can get one of the 5, and they're between $21 and $24. And I will have them scrolling across the screen now, and they are Be Legendary Palette, Always On Liquid Lipstick, Be Legendary Liquid Lipstick, Be Legendary Lipstick, Be Legendary Triple Tone Lipstick. These pics here that I am showing are just stock photos. You're not guaranteed colors. I don't know what the colors are. They're just examples of what they look like. And the third spoiler is another variation of one of 3 products that you will get. I will have again the products scrolling across the screen. Variation of House of Lashes, Tarte Lifted Mascara, which retails for $23, and then a Becca Travel Size Primer, and you can get one of the 3 if you do end up getting a primer. The first is the First Light Primer, which is $18. Then the Backlight Priming Filter, which is also $18. And then the Evermatte Poreless Priming Filter, which is $15. And again, this is a travel size. That is all the confirmed spoilers for August 2018. But I do know in future boxes, Hank and Henry should be in August or September. I am not familiar with this brand, so I cannot speak much on it. But a lot of people are excited for this brand. And as well as Kat Von D has also been confirmed. I don't know what month, but it has been confirmed and for a future box. And that is all I have for you all today on the Boxycharm update video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm so excited for the upcoming months of Boxycharm, and Boxycharm. And this video isn't half as long as I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking the little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And hit the like button if you like this type of video, as well as if you're excited for Boxycharm as much as I am. And comment down below and let me know what you're most excited about, Boxylux or Boxycharm in general. And follow me on all my social media, which I will have listed in my outro. And until my next video, I will talk to you later. Bye.